Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to log out of Pokemon Go. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log out of your Pokemon Go account, then the process is quite simple. Here I have been logged into my Pokemon Go account. From the main homepage of Pokemon Go, tap on the Pokeball icon at the bottom of the page, and from the several menus displaying on the screen, tap Settings at the top right. Scroll all the way down until you see the Sign Out button. Simply tap it on to sign out of your account. Confirm that you would like to sign out by tapping on Yes again in the pop-up, and that way you can easily log out of Pokemon Go. Pretty easy, isn't it? That is how you can easily log out or sign out of Pokemon Go. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.